Hello, today we'll see how we can create parent-child item in BC Magento. A parent is an item that offers different variations, and these variations are called its child products. This splash cardigan is the parent product, and here you can see it has different attributes. A selection for the attribute values define its child items. For example, this blue cardigan in small size is one child item. Now we will create a parent item. Go to x2x Magento and click on parent item, create new. Now we'll populate these fields. Please note that this title and description would be the name and description of the item on webstore. Select other options according to your needs. These variants are the attributes that offer different options for the customer. Select from the drop-down menu or create new. Finally, enable the product. Now we will define a child item. A child item is defined normally like an item. Like we have defined this item as a child item. Populate all the fields. Please ensure that there is some active inventory and web store item and enable product options are enabled. Also, the attribute set ID should be the same as the parent item. Now define the attributes for the item. Here we can see color attribute and its values have already been defined. Let's say we also need to define a size and its value. Select the attribute from the drop-down list or create new and define the size value. The item is automatically saved. Now we will upload the child item to the web store. To upload, go to x2x Magento and click on Upload Items. Select the date from which you want to upload the items and upload. Now we will upload the inventory. To upload the inventory, go to x2x Magento and click on Upload Inventory and Prices. Select the date from which you want to upload the inventory and select inventory location and store ID. Now we can see that the parent item with all its options is visible on the web store.